What's up guys, my name is Gloria and today I'm going to show you how to make crock-pot
lasagna.
So first you want to do is you want to boil a pot of water. The water should be salted a lot. I suggest probably like maybe 3 tablespoons. And you want to add to that, when your water's boiling, 8 ounces of pasta. It can be any type of like noodle pasta. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that. This is 8 ounces of rotini pasta, who knows, into our water. You wanna boil your pasta for 8 minutes. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is we're going to take half a red onion and 6 cloves of garlic, and we're gonna saute them. I'm gonna take some olive oil. There we go. Just a little. Just gonna put that in there and let that get really hot. Okay, so I'm gonna add my 6 cloves of garlic and half a red onion in. There we go, and you just wanna saute this until it is transparent. Okay, so our garlic is starting to get brown, so now's the fun part. Now we're going to add 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Straight into the pot. And you want to break it up into little tiny pieces. I'm going to switch to a spatula, and you just want to brown your ground beef. If you worked with ground beef before, you should know that there's going to be a lot of oils and fat. As you can see, all of that is fat and oil and stuff that you really don't want. So what we're going to do is we're going to take all of that, we're going to separate it. We're going to take our meat to one side of the pan and let all of that run down to the side. And then we're going to take our spoon and we're going to ladle this into a bowl. Now to our meat, onion, and garlic combination thing that we have going on here, we're going to add some adobo. Adobo is probably the best seasoning because it has everything in it. I'm just going to add a little bit of it. Season to your own taste. Oh, that's our timer for this. So I'm going to turn off our, wait, wrong one. Boop. And out. Okay. I'm going to drain the pasta. Now we're going to take le sauce and we're just going to pour this right in here. This is 28 ounces of pasta sauce. Smells so good, man. Okay, now the last thing we're going to add to this is we're going to add some fresh herbs that I got from my garden right before I made this. So here I have some basil, some thyme, and oregano. And I'm just gonna put this in. You want to put your herbs in at the end, because if you put it on early and you let it saute and everything, it's gonna lose its flavor. So you want to put it in right at the end when you're done with your sauce. Cool. And there's our marinara sauce. I believe that's what's called, I don't know. So we're gonna move this pan. Is this hot? No, it's not. Hallelujah. We're going to move this over here and then move everything over. Now, for the layering process. Should I bring this over? I feel like I should. Awesome. Yay, we did it. So now we get to layer our stuff. We're gonna do pasta, pasta, sauce, plus meat. So a layer of pasta. And some of our sauce. Why is this so far away? What am I doing? What am I doing? Ow, ow. Burning myself, that's what I'm doing. And your pasta sauce. So this is 16 ounces of just shredded mozzarella, and we're just gonna place this on top. And start all over again. We're done. Awesome, great. So now we just put the lid on, turn it on to low, and let this go for 4 hours. You heard me right, 4 hours. Okay, so this is our pasta, and it just came out of there, so let's try it. Oh my gosh. Wow, the pasta is like cooked perfectly, so 8 minutes is definitely the way to go. I only let mine cook in Crock-pot for 3 hours, which is fine because I'm pretty sure the extra hour is just for people who need extra time. So it works for whoever really. The cheese works so well, just the layers of cheese. And then the pasta sauce, it's so good. And I got a bite of garlic too. Wow. Okay. If you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys want to try this recipe, I will put it in the description so you guys can try it for yourself and taste this wonderful thing. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!